Namaskar students. Today I am going to teach you chapter 3. The name is Objects in Word 2013. So in this chapter you will learn about word art and text box today. So the learning objectives are creating and formatting word art in MS Word 2013 document, then inserting and formatting text box in MS Word 2013 document. So let me first talk about word art. What is word art first? So word art is a text style feature. It allows you to insert stylish text in your document. It makes your text more attractive with design and some attractive features. So that is called word art. So when you want to insert word art, follow these steps. Simply open MS Word, click on Start, All Programs, then go to Microsoft Office 2013 and select Word 2013. Now here select New Blank Document. Now go to Insert. Word art option you will get here in text group. This is text group. Now select any specific style for your document. So here I am selecting this style. Then type your text, whatever text you want to use at word art. So here I am writing Sardar Patel Vidyalaya. So this way you can insert word art. So simply word art can be inserted in this way. Now the next option is formatting word art. In formatting, basically what you can do this task. First you can change the text fill, you can change the outlines, you can change the text effects, you can change the text direction. These 4 options allowed for your text. If you want to apply some changes on box, then that box is also you can change accordingly. That we will go in next session. Then I will teach you how to change the box options. But first we will see these all 4 options: text fill, text outlines, text effects and text direction. Now I am coming to this document. Now select your word art text. When you select this, you may get this additional tab on your ribbon, that is drawing tools, and one tab under that is format. If you are not selecting this word art, then that drawing tools won't come. So if you want to change, first you have to select your word art text, then only this option will available. Now you are going to change the text styles, so you have to pick this option, word art styles group. There are 3 options. First is for text fill, second for text outline, and third for text effects. So these you can apply as per your need. Quick styles, here are some styles they have given. As earlier we have seen, these style effects are given. You can pick anyone if you want to change. And if you want to apply your own styles, then click here and select these options. Color, any color you can pick from this palette. These are color palettes. If you want to apply any gradient, you can apply gradient. Go to more gradient, so it will give you this option, gradient fill. So here some color and options are given. You can change whatever you need in your document. You can change this color, you can change the style also. Here I am changing radial. So radial means it is coming like a circular pattern. So here you can change it. The degree is given 90 degree. These are different options. You can pick your favorite color and you can apply whatever you want. So these are available for shape. If solid color is required, you can pick any solid color. Same way, text outline. Second option, text outline. That outline color you can apply from here. I want to apply this one, purple. So that purple color is applied. Transparency, if you need transparency, you can give from here. That much percentage will come on your word art. Width, whatever width of your line. Compound type, this is the type of outline. So options are given there, you can change as per your need. Then these are the text box options, so that we will see in next session. So this way you can apply styles. If you want to apply effects, effects are coming here, different effects. This is for shadow, these are inner one, reflection. If you want reflection, then you can apply reflection also for your word art. So from effects, you can change whatever style you need. You can pick anyone. This is transformation. Okay, if you want like this, you want like this, so that according to your choice. Okay. Whatever format you need, just pick that one and click on that, so that will be applied to your word art. So this way you can change. Then direction, text direction, if you want to print it at 90 degree, then it will be come like this. Then you have to change the size, because the size was according to the horizontal layout. So when you change the direction, you have to change the size. See, here it is coming like this. Shadow option is going that side, so that you can remove from here. Go to reflection and none. So your word will be displayed like this. Simply you can rotate also from any point, any direction you can print. Okay, so this way you can modify your word art and insert in your document. Now the next option is inserting text box. Now in inserting text box, it is also quite similar to insert word art, and this text box is applied to your word art also, because here when I have inserted this word art, this box is only a text box. So that options I can change from here. That is shape fill. So shape fill is important to change the color, shape outline, that border color, whatever color we pick here, that border color will be applied. Border weight, that border line will come. So accordingly you can apply it. Now see, these are the border style and all. So same way you can use simple text box also. Go to insert and pick text box. This text box option is there. From here you can pick any text box. These are the by default text box which are coming in this manner. If you pick this one, then it will come on top center, then it will come on middle center like that. But if you want text box wherever you want, then you can pick draw text box option. Select that one and draw your text box. Now write something. In newspaper you have seen some boxes are coming in between the columns, so that is given by this only. So here I am writing some additional text or some explanatory text you have seen in your textbook. Some of the words they have explained in box like this. So to give effect like this, you can use text boxes. So something you can write. Here I am creating buy one get one free like that. Now I am going to apply these all options. So select your box. First go for the text fill. Here you can apply picture even. So I am applying picture as a fill in the text box. So pictures, then sample pictures. I am picking this picture as a fill. So you can get the fill here. Here also you can pick same option, picture fill, work offline, then insert. So like this you will get. Again both colors were similar. So picture, work offline, I'm using this one. Okay. So it looks like this. Let me resize the window. So and arrange it properly so it will display. So these are the effects from text box and word art. Shape outline, as I have explained in that one, same options are given here. You can pick any color to change the outline box. Color of text you can change from home only. These options for the color, whatever color you need, just pick it. Either light or dark color, that you have to pick according the picture, whatever you have set as background. So accordingly the text will be displayed. The size can be changed. You can make it bold. So this way you can change. Then if you want to change the shape option is there. Any shape you can apply. But this you have to draw once again, because it is not changing the shape, but actually it's inserting new shape. So these all options are there. Change shape option is coming here. Let me try. I want to use box like this. Yes. So here you can change the shape from this option. Change shape. Then I want to use this one. So it will come like this. Somewhere you need to change the arrow style. So arrow style also be changed like this. So these are the different options you can apply with shape. Shape effects, similarly effects are given as we have applied there. So that options we can apply accordingly. So that's all from today's session. We have applied these all shape styles, fill and outline styles, change shape, and shape of text. Shape of text also we have changed in word art. Here also we can change. Go to your text and then directly drawing tools and styles. From here we can apply transform option, so that will come accordingly. See, follow path, whatever path required, we can go for that. Okay, so this way we can apply text transform option. Thank you.